This viral lip pigmentation kit is totally worth the hype.
My dermatologist suggested me to try ALANNA's lip pigmentation kit because my lips were getting darker and darker. Therefore, I started using it every day and documented my journey. This is how my lips used to look 2 months ago on day 1. It was chapped, too dehydrated. These dark corners and uneven tone made it look worse. As per my dermat's instructions, and also mentioned on ALANNA's website, I started following that lip care routine each day and every day. By week 2, minor changes were visible. I could feel that my lips were much more moisturized and hydrated. By week 4 and 5, I could see the darker shade was reduced significantly from my upper lip, but overall, my lips were still very pigmented. Currently, the 8th week is going on, and you can see that my lips have completely transformed. It's so pink now. There's no dark corners, much pinkish, and I could feel the plump. I have tried various products on my lips, but none of them can give results like this. I'm so glad I documented my journey because I can see the clear difference on my lips now than what it used to be. If you have dark or chapped lips and want more pink and plump lips, you should definitely give this kit a try.